We're back a few hours later. Snow's finally done. I gotta take the machine off the trailer and load salt. The machine, so McLeod Landscaping usually lets us use his machine, but his area where he does removal, snow plowing, they got a lot more snow, so he needed to take the machine out of here. So ours is still here, so we'll just take it off the trailer real quick and hook the bucket up, load up, and we gotta go resalt everything. As you can see, or may not be able to see, we got a couple inches of snow here. Everything that was treated is really not much at all, so but I'm gonna measure this real quick. I say we got about 2.5 to 3 inches of snow, give or take, but just enough where we just gotta resalt everything. David checked everything for me. He's actually on his way here. He basically told me everything just has a very light coating on it, so we're just gonna salt everything one more time and we should be good. Hey, you're the cameraman. It's recording.
We got chunkies. A lot going on right now here. He's getting loaded, he's getting loaded, I'm getting loaded, that truck's getting loaded. Good.
How rude.
You can just edit me out. Do I do the steps?
You want to have a salt fight? Get out of here. Get out of here. Shoot. Get out of here.
Are you ready? I'll just back up here again.
Ready, guys? You should tag team and go next to each other when you're shoveling. I'll get a good shot.
What?
You should tag team and go next to each other when you're shoveling. I'll get a good shot.
Good
And
enough.
that's how you shovel. Do something.
What?
Do something.
Do something?
Mm-hmm.
We're going home. Just doing site checks and final pictures for the reports and everything. We're in really good shape. So it's a little wet, but nothing's gonna freeze up. So just getting my after pictures for documentation. Just so if there's any questions, they know we're here, and I'll have timestamps and everything. So not bad, not bad. This one we did, I didn't get any footage of us salting this. We did this one a little while ago, like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We're just doing the ones that we haven't hit since earlier in the day. The ones that actually have a little bit of snow on them, but not bad, not bad. This one looks really good. So that's gonna be a wrap for this one. We got 2 salt runs out of this and a couple scrapes, 2 parking lots we had to scrape. A lot of shoveling, just little stuff. All that for about 1 inch of snow. It's crazy. 2 inches at the shop, about 1 inch here. So it was just one of those storms where it started snowing about 6 a.m. and it didn't end until about maybe an hour ago. So about 8, it's 8:30 now, so about 7:30. So that's a pretty long storm to get 1 inch of snow, but it is what it is. We had to come out twice. It coated up. There's nothing we can do about it. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.